Welcome, here I've got Huawei Mate 40 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the general settings, and at the first place here we have assistive grid option. So by using this button we can easily turn on the camera grid lines and turn them off as we need. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see it, and it shows us these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them. So these lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the right corner, then to the general settings, and pick this button. So for now the grid lines have gone here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.